In this video, we will show you how to turn on Network Discovery on Windows 11. On Network Discovery, we can do printer sharing, file sharing, and etc. When you try to open your network, by default, Windows 11 is turned off the Network Discovery. To turn on, just click OK in here, and you can directly click to change and click Yes. This is just simple turn on Network Discovery, but in here, sometimes we need to adjust the settings, like when we try to open the network, it's require a password. We can disable, and let's do it. Just typing control panel on your search field in here, and in the network, just click view network status and tasks. Then go to change advanced sharing settings. And because you already click on the network discovery, this is already on. But in here, there is some adjustment. For private networks, you can also turn on the network discovery, file and printer sharing. And for all networks, you can see there is for public folder sharing. This is, I think it's more important. Okay. And for password protected sharing, sometimes usually is on in here. You can turn off. So the other user when access your computer is not require a password. And you can also using just 40 or 66 byte encryption, but you can try using the recommended 128 encryption to see your network discovery and file and printer sharing is run smoothly. And that's tutorial how to turn on the network discovery on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.